The Olympic Games. The Olympic Games, first held in 776 BC, has a history of more than 1,000 years. More than 多于超过，我们可以换成 over。thousand 作为计数单位，用法大家必须知道，前面无论数字是多大，后面不加 s。当后面加了 s 的时候，它要跟 of 连。thousands of 表示数量巨大，翻译成成千上万。The modern games is held every 4 years. 现代的运动会每隔4年被举办一次。Many countries try their best to bid for hosting the Olympic Games. Try one's best to do something 表示尽某人最大的努力去做某件事情。And every country does its best to get more medals in the games. There are 5 rings on the Olympic flag, which are considered to symbolize the 5 continents: Europe, Asia, Africa, Oceania, and America. The Olympic motto is swifter, higher, stronger. 奥林匹克的座右铭就是更高、更快、更强。The games can promote the understanding and friendship among different peoples and different nations. 跟着霞老师学英语，每天进步一点点。